Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a report from multiple sheets here in Smartsheet. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up one of your workspace where the sheets are located. Okay, we'd open mine right here. And as you can see, I have a ton of sheets, and I actually have one report for row report and sheet summary report. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the top left and click on Add to Workspace, and then I'm going to select a report. Okay, as you can see here, we have two options. Now, just for example, I'm going to be using row report for now. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, there'll be a pop-up, which is under source sheet. Okay. Now, to be able to create a report for multiple sheets, you can go ahead and locate your sheets. Okay. Right here, as you can see, I have 4 sheets available in here. Now, what I'm going to do is just tick all the tick boxes. All right. You can select as many sheets as you want. Okay. Now, once that's done, just hit on next. Now you can go ahead and select the columns. All right, there will be a drop down right here. Just select the columns that you wanted to add for your report. Okay. For example, I'm going to go ahead and add in product name, product ID. As you can see here, slowly adds in the background, priority, price, payment options, like so. And then once I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Then you can go ahead and filter your report from here. Okay, you have the filter criteria. Just click on it, select a field, select whatever you want from here. Okay, you can go ahead and add in more conditions if you want to. If not, add in a group or summarize it, or maybe sort it as well. Okay, so once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on share and click on report or workspace. Workspace right here, you'll have a link that whenever you share it to people, they'll be able to access the whole workspace. Now, if you only select a report, well, they'll just be able to access this specific report. Now, if you want to as well, don't forget to rename your report. Okay. Click on one, and then just copy the link or start typing the emails or names from one of your contacts here in Smartsheet. Okay. And if you want to as well, you go to the right panel and click on publish. Okay. That is it. Now, if you just copy the link from here, unfortunately, people that can access the specific sheet should have an account or Smartsheet account. Now, when you click on publish, you'll have a unique link where people that doesn't have a Smartsheet account can access the specific sheet. Okay, hit on publish right here if you have the upgraded version of Smartsheet. And there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.